In the middle of the Buknafjord, there are the islands of the Ryfylke. There are over a dozen small and big islands. We are going to Nordhidle, one of the smaller islands with a rich history. Nordhidle is a small island of 1 square kilometer and 12 inhabitants. One of them is Terje Hidle, who owns one of the farms on the island and runs the company Nora Hidle.
I am a farmer. I have sheep and Christmas trees. I also welcome guests in my brew house and in my baking cellar, where I make pizza. I was born and grew up here. I was also out in the world, but then decided to come back here. I needed something to live from, so I am having guests and show them our rich history and food culture.
The islands of the Ryfylke have a very long history.
Nordhidle is one of the places which got populated the earliest in the country. We found evidence on Bjergøy for that. There were always people who wanted to live here, because there's a mild climate, fertile lands and fish in the sea, and people could easily sail the seas.
As people lived so long here, it created a unique landscape.
What is interesting in Ryfylke, and especially on the islands, is that everything is a cultural landscape. Everything you see here has been formed by people over a period of several thousand years. You don't find much nature, but a lot of cultural landscape.
Terje offers a guided tour through the landscape of Nordhidle. Starting at the farm, you will get the history of the island, beginning at the Ice Age, when the island was much lower than today. There is the huge oak tree, with its long history dating back to the 16th or 17th century. Terje will tell you all the farming history of the region, and also history about taxes. You might try some local grown apples. Then you will climb on a barrow. Some Vikings might be buried here, but no archaeological search was ever conducted. All around you there will be sheep, and sometimes the sheep are not there where they should be, so they have to be herded back to place. If you're hungry, you can have some homemade pizza and flammekuche, which is baked in a wood oven. If you enjoyed very much, Terje has options for people who want to stay longer.
We offer accommodation in our farmhouse as well as in the boathouse. For active people, we also have the fowl house. You can live and eat here, and at Christmas we have our workshop.
So how to get to Nordhidle? Surprisingly, it is very well connected with public transport. There is a boat which runs to all islands, and there is the express boat from Stavanger, which continues to Sand and Sauda. If you want to come by car, there is the car ferry from Judasberg, and the ferry pier there is quite impressive as it has 14 lanes to all different destinations. The ferryman will tell you in which direction you need to park your car for an easy exit. As it is a very small place, not all ferries will stop at Nordhidle, so you will need to check the timetable. And why should one come and visit Nordhidle?
You come and visit me, because your soul will be able to rest. Most think that it is extremely quiet here. Since we are in the middle of the fjord, you will see the mountains and the ocean as well. You feel that you are at the center of the world. The author Alfred Hage said, "He who loves an island in this world loves the limited and the boundless."
We hope you liked this video and that you will take a trip to Nordhidle. Please give a like to this video, and if you haven't done it, then subscribe to the channel. Check out our Facebook and Instagram for bonus content.